welcome back to my channel. So in this video I want to do a twist out, but I don't want to do a lot of twists. I want this to be really quick and I want to see how it's gonna come out. Y'all know I don't really like twist outs, but we're gonna hop right into this video because I'm ready to go to bed. I already cleansed and conditioned my hair, and I do have some products here that was gifted to me at the Natural Hair Show, and these are by Naturall. I do have their products, and they are flaxseed gel product. This is a extreme hold curl defining gel. This one is, and this one is the just styling flaxseed gel, but this is the curl and custard. So I am gonna try to, I don't know, they look the same to me. I don't know if the consistency is the same. They kind of look the same, like if y'all see how that's moving, and then you see how that, it like seem the same. I don't know, but we gonna see. But ooh, smell good. It smell real good. Hair is clean. This really seemed like a great idea when I was in the shower and I felt like I didn't have a lot of hair on my head. But now that I'm out of the shower and my hair drawing up, I'm like, I don't know if this gonna work, friend. Don't know. I don't know how many twists I'm about to do, but I'm literally not trying to do too many. It's probably gonna be 8 if anything. This section is going to be one big old twist. So I'm first gonna go in with this flaxseed gel curl custard, and it kind of reminds me of my curling custard. So gives me the same vibes. Very slippery, very slippery. That was the only reason I wanted to use it. Since everything's gonna be so big, I didn't want to put anything too heavy on my hair so my hair don't dry. There's the curling custard. Oh, okay. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. And then I'm gonna go in on top of that with this flaxseed gel. This video ain't sponsored, by the way. I literally just was like, this is what I want to use, so I ain't got a choice but to use it. Ooh, it's nice and creamy. Nice and has the, like I said, it has the same consistency. I really feel like I'm putting the same product on my hair right now. Not that that's a bad thing. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and comb this section out. I think I'm gonna try to do a flat twist. If y'all know me, y'all know I don't never do nothing like this, but I'm feeling frisky tonight. The only thing about flat twist is that you gotta have like really straight parts. Like you really gotta be a little strategic about it. I have the hardest time like pulling these apart though, y'all. So with the takedown, I don't be so excited. I really don't. Then you want to brush that out as you're going down. You want it to be nice and smooth. All right, and there's one twist. So I don't think it's gonna hold. We gotta get that one time, but I'm gonna just move on to the next one. So I am basically just going to continue to repeat the same thing. Like I said, I think I'm gonna do 8, 2 in this section, 2 in this section, 2 right here, and 2 right here. I guess just chill out and watch your girl either make a mess or make a quick, easy hairstyle.
Had a missed call from you the other day. Don't really know what there's left to say. You don't really fuck with me no more. I still got excited when I got your call. I don't really get what you're trying to do. I don't really get what you're trying to prove. Keeping me wrapped around your finger like you always do. I know you didn't even need to call. Now you got me feeling all alone. I'ma drink right from the bottom tonight. You always find your way back into my life. Why can't you just leave me alone? Wait, no, please don't go. I don't know what I mean by this. Now you got me all up in my feelings.
You and my missed calls. Do I call back right away? No, it's a missed call, but if not, I'll be okay. Don't know what you want from me. Why do you let me down like this? Oh, you and my missed calls. Do I call back right away? No, it's a missed call, but if not, I'll be okay. Don't know what you want from me. Why do you let me down like like this. Whoa. Let you know I'm on my way to your house now. I don't know what's going down now. Friends kick me out the whip, feeling good now. Haven't been here before, no one around. Tryna get through to you. What is it coming to? She following what I do, and you ain't in my view, in my view.
I was on my job like Steven. Why you calling me with no reason? I phoned you back then, it was easy. Now I be wishing I know you need a genie. Wanna be through with you, I ain't in no fucking mood. You best watch who you bring it to. I just wanna go stick and move, stick and move. Missed call, you ain't mean to go dial that, I'ma still respond. When not to get pissed drunk. Say you wanna go right now, 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 still down.
You and my missed calls. Do I call back right away? No, it's a missed call, but if not, I'll be okay. Don't know what you want from me. Why do you let me down like this? Whoa. Let you and my missed calls. Do I call back right away? No, it's a missed call, but if not, I'll be okay. Don't know what you want from me. Why do you let me down like this? Whoa.
These are my 8 twists. I know they looking kind of like, wait. Yeah, they look like that to me too. But I just want to see if it'll work. So what I'm going to do, you guys should already know. Well, no, because I don't do a lot of twist outs. But if you are OG, you know that I like to twist it at the roots. But I'm also going to just twist it all the way down so that it keeps this twisting pattern since they are so juicy. And then I'm just going to bend it up and clip it. So I'm just going to continue twisting in the same direction, just making it tighter, turning it up, and a clip. All right, you guys, so this is what my hair looks like. All twisted up and pent up. Now I'm about to go sit under the dryer for an hour, wrap my hair with a scarf, and then go to bed, and I will see you guys in the morning. I don't like twist outs, y'all. I'm trying. I am trying my best. But this ain't it. This ain't me. It ain't me. And I'm flaking. It flake, 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 flake city. Flake, 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 flake. Just gotta wash my hair today. But we are trying to save it. I am going to try to save it by stretching it, possibly giving it a better shape. I'm gonna use my Dyson. I'm gonna put it up a little bit, just that, whatever that is. And I'm just gonna go ahead and try to stretch it. I'm not gonna lie, stretching your hair is literally the golden tip to like flawless hair. Sometimes you can make the shittiest thing beautiful if you just stretch it. That didn't go right. It was supposed to be more dramatic. Flakety flakety flake. Flakety flakety flake. My hair is so dry and there is no coming back from this. There's one cute one. Look at that. Hello. Probably one I didn't try to separate. That's why I tried not to use anything like other than their products because of the flaking. I wanted to avoid flaking, and then we flaking a lot. Do y'all see my shirt? Like, can y'all see these flakes? I know you see these flakes. Anyway, I'm gonna put my hair in a puff and go. But this video is done. I am done. You hear me? Done. I will see you guys in my next video, which will be a success because I'm tired of trying these type of videos. So yeah, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.